our YouTube channel. Today we're going to review a brand new pair of Tom Ford frames. It's the Tom Ford 5294 and this is the size 48. They come in an oval shape, so fits more square face shapes. The color is really cool. It's brown when you look at it from up front, but in some angles becomes more blue, so it can fit any eye color. And now I'm going to try them on. It's a unisex model, so it fits both men and women. And it's a very lightweight plastic frame. You can get these Tom Ford frames with any lens prescription, any coating such as blue blocking lenses for the perfect office style, or transition lenses